So let's do the practice right now. Are you ready? Set aside all your distractions. Set aside a good 10 minutes to do this practice with me here. I'm going to guide you through it and give you some pointers. All right, so set away all distractions and let's practice this. So the idea is that you're just going to sit there with your eyes open, and you're not going to try to manipulate or control anything in your experience. You're just going to sit there. You're not going to try to stop thoughts or trying to achieve any kind of awakened, enlightened state or any kind of mystical experience or anything like that. You're just going to sit and you're going to fully be satisfied. Allow yourself to be satisfied with this present moment. And that's it. Can you do that? Try it right now. I'm going to try doing it along with you here. So what you should notice is that as you're actually doing this, it's a little bit of a shift. It's a subtle shift in your awareness. Whereas normally your mind wants to think about the future or go into the past to bring up problems, because our problems exist either in the past or in the future. We lose touch with the beauty and the calm and the peace that is present right now. And we take what's here right now for granted. We overlook its beauty because it's not relevant to our survival plans and goals and problems. So make that subtle shift of bringing your awareness into the present right now and sort of proactively start to appreciate the present. So if there's one thing you're doing in this meditation, and I'm going to be calling this the satisfaction meditation, if there's one thing that you're really doing, the only thing you're doing is you're nudging yourself, gently nudging yourself to be satisfied with just this. So just try to nudge yourself to be satisfied with just this right here. What might help you is just to notice if there's just a sort of a positive, joyful feeling in your body of maybe comfort. If you're sitting comfortably, you could actually find some joy and satisfaction in that. Although, of course, don't hinge your satisfaction on that feeling of comfort, because if you sit there for long enough, you might become uncomfortable, and you still want to be fundamentally satisfied. So basically, what we're trying to get you to do is just be satisfied with existing. Just with existing. And furthermore, now, when you start to get a little bit of satisfaction, don't get me wrong, it's not going to be some sort of ecstatic pleasure that you're in here. We're not seeking for ecstatic pleasure, just satisfaction. It's like, this is nice. It's just nice to just sit and to be peaceful. And to not have to be chasing anything or thinking about anything or trying to solve something with your mind or trying to reach some sort of enlightened state or attempting to be spiritual or mystical. Forget all that. Drop all that. Let that go for now. You can do that later. And during this moment, this period, for 10 or 20 minutes that you're going to be doing this meditation, you're just going to be satisfied. And you're just going to focus on that satisfaction. So actually hone your mind into that feeling of satisfaction. And as you do that, what you're going to do is you're going to almost create like a sort of a positive feedback loop where your consciousness of the satisfaction will start to feed on itself. By noticing the satisfaction and by focusing on it, you'll sort of be satisfied with the satisfaction, so to speak. And that will build on itself. And so just allow that to build. Just sit there and become ever more deeply satisfied. For me, how that feels when I'm sitting here being satisfied, it's like there's a satisfaction in not having to do anything. And then the more I focus on that, the more satisfying that becomes. Just not having to do anything. And then it's just a matter of staying within that satisfaction for as long as you can. And try to keep your mind there, because your mind will want to wander. Your mind will tend to wander off into your problems or the to-do list for tomorrow that you got at work. Or how this satisfaction stuff is just a waste of time and it's not doing anything productive. Your mind will get very sneaky and tricky, and it'll try to break you out of the satisfaction. You might start getting ideas like, well, wouldn't it be nicer? Wouldn't this moment be improved if I had some sex on top of it? Or if I had some drugs on top of it? Or if I had a mystical experience on top of this? Or if my friends were here and we were partying? Right? So your mind is going to be imagining sort of like better scenarios than the present moment. And as long as you're going to be doing that and you're going to be falling prey to those fantasies, then you're not going to be satisfied. So you have to let those go and just be satisfied with this. Don't want anything other than this. What's here? Stop trying to chase for a better experience. So do this right now as I'm talking. And try to refine your ability to do this. It takes some practice. Now, if you practice this consistently and for long periods of time, eventually what will happen is that satisfaction can turn into a very deep satisfaction and pleasure and ultimately even bliss. And it can turn into love too. Why love? Well, because if you're properly doing this, then what you'll start to notice is you'll just start to fall in love with existence itself. You'll just fall in love with being conscious, of being conscious, of being conscious of your satisfaction, of being conscious of existence. Just the love of existing. That's ultimately what it all boils down to. That's the rock bottom of this practice. It's just a love for existence itself. See, ordinarily we ignore that as we go about surviving in the world. We lose touch with just the joy of existing because we're trying to solve something. We're trying to chase something down. We're trying to improve how existence feels. Well, in this case, we're not trying to improve anything. We're just existing, and we're just being conscious of our existence, and we're taking satisfaction in that. And it's not a deep ecstatic pleasure. It's just a mild form of satisfaction at first. But if you do this for hours and hours and days and weeks and months and years, you can train that up and build it up into actually ecstatic levels of joy, but don't expect that. And don't go chasing for it.